Good morning, viewers. Here are the latest updates in Indian politics and sports for today. Political news. BJP's resurgence in Delhi after 27 years. The Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's leadership, has secured a significant victory in the Delhi Capital District elections, winning 48 out of 70 seats. This triumph marks the BJP's return to power in the capital after nearly 3 decades and provides a boost for Modi following a previous national election setback. The Aam Aadmi Party, AAP, led by Arvind Kejriwal, secured 22 seats. The BJP's campaign promises included financial aid initiatives such as payments for women, pensions for the elderly, and support for youth exam preparations. Opposition protests alleged mistreatment of deportees. Opposition lawmakers in India have disrupted parliament proceedings to protest the alleged mistreatment of 104 Indian immigrants deported from the United States. The deportees were reportedly transported in restraints, including handcuffs and leg chains, which has sparked outrage. External Affairs Minister Subramaniam Jaishankar noted that U.S. regulations on restraints during deportation flights have been in place since 2012 and assured that the government is engaging with U.S. authorities to prevent such mistreatment in the future. Sports news. Global investors acquire stakes in English cricket's The 100. In a groundbreaking development for English cricket, investors from Silicon Valley and India have purchased stakes in teams within the 100 tournament through online blind auctions, collectively raising over £400 million for the England and Wales Cricket Board, ECB. Notable acquisitions include the London Spirit by a consortium featuring CEOs from major tech companies and the Northern Superchargers by India's Sun Group. This influx of global capital is expected to bring significant changes to the sport, including increased salary caps and upgraded stadiums. Singapore clinches Asian Netball Championship in India. The 2024 Asian Netball Championship concluded with Singapore defeating Sri Lanka 67-64 in a closely contested final, securing their 4th title and first since 2014. The tournament, held at Bengaluru's Koramangala Indoor Stadium, featured 14 teams, marking the first time India hosted the event since 1989. Notably, the Pakistan national netball team was unable to participate due to visa denials by Indian authorities amid geopolitical tensions. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for future updates and have a wonderful day ahead.